Hey everybody, Carl here from Apt, and we've got the other half of Sony's brand new flagship line, the Z9F. So this is the LED version. We've already unboxed the OLED, so make sure you check out that video too. But we're gonna unbox this for you, show you what comes with it, and then give you a quick picture demonstration at the end, so stay tuned for that. So first things first, we are going to use our little knife here, cut through the tape on the top. And once you've got that done, just pop that open and grab out all the accessories from the top. First thing you're going to notice is the setup guide. So we'll set that off to the side. And then we've got pieces of the pedestal. We've got some plastic pieces. This looks like covers for the pedestal feet for the cable management. We've got the standard Sony remote control here. Some spacers, it looks like, and more pedestal with some bolts for installation of that. So from there, you're going to want to take, there's 4 clips that come on the bottom of this. We already took those off just to simplify everything here. From this point, I'm going to need some help because this is a big box, so I'm going to have my friend Ryan come over here and help me out. Actually, let's get styrofoam out of here first, make it a little easier. And it's important to have 2 people here to do this because this is a really big box. The smallest one is a 65-inch, so definitely a good idea. And take that off. Thank you, Ryan. And then we have some more pieces here. This is a back panel cover. And a little accessory bag. We've got an IR blaster in there, and then some more literature. And I think that is everything. So from here, next step you're going to want to do is take these little cardboard flaps here, fold those over, and fold this down. And then we're going to put the pedestal on. We're actually going to cut here, put the pedestal on. You can actually watch our video on how to install the pedestal separately, but for the sake of time, we're going to do that off camera for now. Okay, so we've got the plastic off, we've got all the styrofoam out of the way and the pedestal attached. Make sure you have a second person there to help you out with all that because this is a heavy TV and it's pretty big. So Ryan helped us out with all that stuff. Thank you, Ryan. And we've got a little picture up here on the screen. Oh, hey. We've got a little picture up on the screen here for you to look at to see how great this TV actually is. And I don't know if it's just seeing me up there, but I think it looks incredible. So make sure you stay tuned. We're going to do a full overview video on this one, as well as some comparison videos between this and some of the other new TVs out there. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe so you get updates whenever we upload that new content.